Recently, I visited the Caribbean country of Grenada. If you are not familiar with Grenada, it is an island country in the West Indies, roughly 100 miles north of Venezuela. Grenada is affectionately known as Spice Island. Nutmeg is one of the island's major exports. I stayed at the new Six Senses La Sagesse and was assigned to Spice Suite 07. This suite was a Bayview pool suite that accommodates 3 people max. In total, the suite is 592 square feet. I loved this suite. It was perfect in terms of size and location. It has a separate bathtub with an amazing view of the bay. There is a walk-in shower with supplied toiletries such as shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. I normally just use my own, but the scent of the supplied toiletries was so soft and spa-like, I found myself using them often. Separate toilet room and double sinks round out the nicely sized bathroom. 2 robes are provided for your convenience. Commonly used items such as toothbrushes, razors, etc. are readily available in various containers. Smart TV provided satellite channels for access to local and premium channels. The suite's minibar was equipped with a coffee machine, tea machine, filtered mineral water, handmade snacks, and a fully stocked fridge with local beers and soft drinks. You'll only find healthy soft drink options here. Soft drinks low in sugar, as this is a wellness resort. The main living area also had an amazing view of the bay. Often, upon returning to the room, I would find handmade snacks placed on the coffee table. The suite had a single king bed. Rooms with 2 queen beds are also available. One of the best parts of the suite is the outdoor terrace with living space and private pool. You can't ignore the beautiful bay view. The closet was literally like a treasure chest. It contained everything you could possibly need. There was an ironing board, hangers, slippers, a safe, additional toiletries for skin protection while in the elements. The map of the property was a nice touch as well. In addition, there was plenty of storage for personal belongings. A desk sat behind the bed, and there were plenty of outlets and USB connections to keep your devices charged. Part 2 of this review will be coming soon. In Part 2 of the review, we will cover all other aspects of the resort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And drop a comment below. Till next time, live with purpose and travel with purpose.